Today I am reviewing Thermaltake LCGS View i1470S-170 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Thermaltake LCGS View i1470S-170 is a gaming desktop that blends striking design with powerful performance. It's built for gamers, creators, and everyday users who want a PC that delivers both speed and style. At its core, this desktop houses an Intel Core i7-14700F processor, boasting 20 cores and an impressive turbo clock speed that reaches up to 5.4 GHz. This makes it more than capable of handling the most demanding games, complex multitasking, and content creation tasks without breaking a sweat. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, this system delivers stunning graphics, smooth gameplay, and impressive ray tracing capabilities. With 12 GB of GDDR7 dedicated video memory, the RTX 5070 enables ultra-high settings in modern AAA games at 1080p and even 1440p resolutions. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA title, working on video editing, or running intensive software, this GPU offers consistent performance without compromise. One of the standout features of this system is its 32 GB of DDR5 memory running at an ultra-fast 6,000 megatransfers per second. This high-speed RAM ensures smooth multitasking, lightning-fast application loading, and a seamless gaming experience. It's ideal for streamers, professional content creators, and multitaskers who need to run multiple applications simultaneously. Storage performance is also exceptional with a 1 TB NVMe M.2 SSD. This SSD offers rapid boot times, near-instant application loading, and plenty of space for games, software, and creative projects. You won't need to wait for files to load, and there's ample room for your growing game library and work files. Design is another highlight of the Thermaltake View i1470S-170. The case features panoramic tempered glass panels on the front and side, giving a clear view of the internal components. This not only creates a stunning aesthetic but also showcases the ARGB lighting that adds dynamic color effects to your setup. The tower includes an ARGB air cooler that keeps temperatures low during intense gaming sessions while enhancing the visual appeal of your gaming rig. Connectivity is well covered with multiple USB ports, DisplayPort, HDMI outputs, and built-in Wi-Fi. This makes it easy to connect peripherals, multiple monitors, and gaming accessories. Whether you're connecting headsets, keyboards, or controllers, the ports are conveniently placed and versatile. Thermaltake also focused on practicality, with toolless side panel access, making upgrades and maintenance quick and easy. This allows you to expand storage or upgrade components without hassle, ensuring your system remains future-proof. For those who value aesthetics and performance, the Thermaltake LCGS View i1470S-170 is a premium choice. It's not just a machine, it's a statement. It offers powerful gaming performance, impressive multitasking capabilities, a sleek tempered glass design, and vibrant RGB lighting that will make it stand out in any setup. Whether you are a competitive gamer, content creator, or someone who needs a powerful all-in-one solution for work and play, this system delivers. It's a great example of what modern gaming desktops can achieve: high performance, style, and versatility all in one package. If you are looking for a desktop that combines cutting-edge hardware, sleek design, and exceptional performance, the Thermaltake LCGS View i1470S-170 is a strong contender. It offers not just speed, but an experience that is immersive, efficient, and visually stunning.